Now I'm going to be showing you how you can enable live translate on Teams meeting. To do that, we're first going to start up a Teams meeting. When you open your Teams app that should already be installed on your system or your laptop, you're going to see Meet, where you can schedule a meeting, or you can join with meeting ID, or you can create a meeting link. Now, you can also come to calendar. When you come to calendar, you also have the option to start a meeting right now or schedule a meeting as well. So we're going to start by scheduling a new meeting. You click on new meeting, and here you're giving this interface where you can fill in all the information that you want for the meeting that you want to set up. So you can add any title. You can enter name, email, or phone number of anyone that you want to invite to the meeting. If you're already in a community on Google Teams, all you have to do is simply type in the words that would give you the name of anybody in that community, and it will pop up and you can use that instead of adding their emails or their special names. Just type in the first letters of their names, and the names of the person in each community that you're in will pop up here, and you can simply click on it and they will automatically add it to the people who will be invited for this meeting. Next, under that, you have time. So you can schedule the dates, you can schedule the time it will start, and then you can schedule the dates and the time that it will end. You also have an option to schedule this meeting all day. Then you could also come here and tap on how often you want this meeting to occur. You have every weekend, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or custom. So let's stick with do not repeat. And then you can add a location as well. And then you can add details for this new meeting. Now, most of these options are not compulsory, so you could decide to only add the information that you think is important. And then you can come here and decide who can bypass the lobby and who can present in this meeting. So when you're done filling in all the information that you want for your new meeting, you click on send. This will automatically send the meeting to every single person that you already added as earlier or to this meeting. So you click on copy, which means you get the link for the meeting. So you can use this one to send to other people that you did not invite when you were adding the details for this meeting. And that is simply how you schedule a meeting on Microsoft Teams. When you come to your calendar, you see that it already appears here, and you can click on it to see all the information that you previously added. So, or if you want to start a meeting at the moment, all you have to do is simply click Meet Now. Then you can edit the name of the meeting. What automatically comes up is meeting with your name on Google Meet. So you can change it if you want to. Let's change it and call it something different. And you click on Start Meeting, or you can click on Get a Link to Share if you want to share the meeting, but we're not sharing this meeting, so we're just clicking on Start Meeting. So when you get here, you are still going to be given the option to invite more people for the meeting. Once again, you can click here and just type in the names of anyone that you already have on Google Meet, on Microsoft Teams, that you would like to invite for your meeting, and it will automatically pop up. Or you could simply copy the meeting link or share via default email. But like I said, we're not inviting anyone to this meeting. It's just you and I. So we're going to close this, and then we are going to automatically be in our meeting. On this side, you can see how long the meeting has been going on for, and up top, you see chat, people, raise, react, view, and more actions. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can enable live translate during a meeting. Now you can see there are just two people in this meeting, but you can enable live translation for both persons. So what you're going to do is, looking at all the icons on top, you're going to click on more. When you click on more, you're going to go down to language and speech. You don't have to click on it, but even if you do, you're going to see on the left-hand side, show live captions. And then you're going to click on that. When you do, this is going to appear at the bottom of your screen. So every single thing that I say is going to be coming up one by one. And every single thing that the other person in the meeting says is also going to be coming up as well. Okay, Toby, you can speak. So you're
Hello everyone, I'm glad to be here. I'm glad to know that I'm something that's really awesome.
okay. Thank you very much. So you can see every single speaker in this meeting is going to come up as long as live translate is enabled. Everything they say is going to show up at the bottom of this meeting. But if you want to put an end to that, you could simply come here and just click hide live captions or just X. And then it disappears.